Hello everyone. This video shows how to knit an extremely simple summer relief pattern that consists of raised paths made of one stitch on the background of a purl stitch. Its lovely texture is due to the tiny tiered loop that resembles a flower bud. The report has 2 rows and 4 loops. The example contains a multiple of 4 loops, 3 for balance, and 2 edge stitches. Let's start on the wrong side. Row 1 wrong side, slip 1 edge stitch, then knit 3 loops. The yarn is in front, pull 1 loop from the gap between the first and second loop back to front, and purl the first. Again, knit 3, pull up 1 loop, purl 1. Again, knit 3, pull up 1 loop, purl 1. Continue knitting using this pattern until the row is complete. Row 2 right side, after 1 edge stitch, purl 3 stitches, and knit 2 together through the front. Purl 3 stitches, and knit 2 together through the front. Continue knitting using this pattern until the row is complete. Summer-friendly and simple to knit, this pattern is perfect for beginners. Beach dresses, simple cardigans, light blouses, and capes go well with it. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations, and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate you all being here. If you enjoy the video, please click the like button. Subscribe to the channel and notifications to watch all of my videos. I wish you inspiration. Knit joyfully and with affection. See you soon.